throughout our reading, we have come across a whole sequence of events. So this is all going to be about Julius and Augustus Caesar. We know their lives even collide together because Julius what? Adopted Augustus, right? So that is his nephew that he adopted as a son, and their lives come together. So we are going to do a timeline. It's going to be events, important events that happen for these people. Now, you can go back in you can go back in your book and look for these events, but it's not necessary. Close your books. Close them. I have lots of people who are not paying attention, and you're going to be like, why can't I find it in the book? There's missing pieces. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blanks here. Now, logically, you can start to figure out about someone's life, right? We start out with Julius Caesar is, we have an event missing. And then Julius Caesar assembles a private army to attack the Roman Empire. Did he do a lot between that time?
Yeah.
Specifically, between him being born and him attacking the Roman Empire, what did he do?
Uncle.
Kason?
Cross the Rubicon?
He had to cross the Rubicon. Before that even, did he do a lot?
Yeah.
He was a consul, and he was a proconsul, and he went out, and he took a whole bunch of land, right?
And he got
All before this would have happened. So we know there are events missing. Julius Caesar was,
That doesn't go with Julius Caesar.
Yeah.
Empire wasn't made.
we'll figure it out. Julius Caesar was elected to consul. Something's missing, something's missing, something missing. Julius Caesar is killed. Octavius is adopted into Caesar's will. Octavius is also known as Augustus. Rome declares war on Egypt and puts Octavius in charge of the military. Octavius celebrates a triumph in Rome and receives the title Augustus. Something happens, Augustus dies. So we have blanks in there. You are going to write in the blanks. You have them on the back side. You have to figure out the order. So the missing events are on the back side of that page. I'll put them up so you can see them. Caesar's forces invade Gaul. Mark Antony and Octavian join forces. Julius Caesar is captured by pirates and held for ransom. Did we forget about that one?
No.
Octavian defeats Mark Antony. Augustus becomes father of his country. Caesar crosses the Rubicon River. Caesar defeats Pompey, follows him to Egypt, and meets Cleopatra. Are these in the correct order to just throw them up?
No.
No, you have to start to look at these events and figure out where they fit in. Obviously, Caesar's not going to be able to do things after he's killed. So all of the Caesar events need to be done before he's killed, right? So he's killed right here. So anything that has to do with Caesar needs to be done in these first 4 events. And then there's 3 more after that. I will leave them up. Your job through the remainder of today is to get those written in. Joey. What is what? That's going to be the Christian era. Remember the before Christian era and the Christian era. So it switches times. One thing you'll notice with that too is BCE, that goes big numbers to small, and then after that it goes small numbers to big. So like each year we add a number, they took away a number, and then it switches over. So that's why it gets confusing. We're like 100 and goes down. Now these events are in order. Your job is to take the other page's events and plug them in where they would have happened. Use your book. Use your notes. I bet your notes are even faster and clearer. I'll pass some of them back out to you and fill it in. I'll be around to help. I will most importantly leave these up for you to fill them in. Sound good? Sound good? Yeah. My friends online, this will be a Cami assignment. Yes.